In today's video, I'm going to teach you ultimate guide how to sync files and folders to OneDrive. If you want your files to be easier to access, safer to store, and automatically available across devices, syncing them to OneDrive is a simple and effective solution. I'll walk you through two main ways to do this in Windows, so you can either move specific files and folders into OneDrive manually or back up your important system folders automatically. Let's start by saving files directly to your OneDrive folder. First, open File Explorer. Then go to the folder that contains the files or folders you want to sync. Once you've found them, you have a couple of easy options. The quickest method is to drag and drop the file or folder into OneDrive. To do that, click and hold the item, then drag it toward the left-hand navigation panel in File Explorer. When you see OneDrive, drop the item there. This moves it into your OneDrive folder so it can begin syncing. If you prefer, you can also use copy and paste. Right-click the file or folder, choose copy, then select OneDrive from the navigation pane on the left. After that, paste the item into the OneDrive location. This is a good option if you want a little more control while organizing files. Once the file or folder is in OneDrive, give it a moment to sync. You'll see a status icon next to each file, and that icon shows you what's happening. This is helpful because it lets you confirm that your files are uploading properly before you close the folder or shut down your computer. Now let's look at a second method, which is backing up important Windows folders automatically. This is especially useful if you want OneDrive to continuously protect the folders you use most often, such as documents or desktop. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar, then click the gear icon to open Settings and choose Settings again if prompted. From there, open the Sync and Backup tab. Next, select Manage Backup. You'll now see a list of common Windows folders that can be backed up to OneDrive. Turn on backup for any folders you want, including documents, pictures, desktop, music, or videos. This helps make sure that changes in those folders are synced automatically going forward. When you're ready, confirm everything by clicking Save Changes. OneDrive will then begin backing up the folders you selected. And that's it. Whether you choose to manually place files into OneDrive or enable folder backup, you now have a reliable way to keep your files synced and protected.